Everybody, welcome to the first seminar of the Laboratory of the Science Seminar Series for the year 2023-2024. My name is Alessandro Selvitella, and I'm an assistant professor of data science and applied statistics at the University of Fort Wayne. I'm also chief scientist in the Laboratory of Data Science. We'll talk about programs and about an introduction on the activities of the Laboratory of Data Science. We'll be talking about visiting programs, academic programs, community programs, and available in the laboratory. Find more information, visit the website. Visiting programs. So they are. So the idea of the visiting programs is to increase the expertise in data science at Purdue University by inviting and attracting students and researchers which work in data science. So one of the programs is this called science visiting programs, which top researchers in a certain field come to campus, deliver presentations, collaborate, and work with students on topics of their expertise. The visiting program is similar, but it's restricted to researchers from the Midwest. Students can come and collaborate with faculty here, or participate in activity, organizing events, collaborate with students. So the programs, we have some lectures, short courses, workshops, which are discussion groups on data science topics which are of interest to the local community and the broader. So we started delivering data science workshop for biologists. The event was last year. This year we're going to have a second event, and so total is 2, 3, 4 meetings. Start from the very basics of R coding to being able to analyze a data set of the potential has been collected by the student during their research. We hold data science forums, mainly a series of discussion groups on specific topics which are modern and of interest to data science researchers. In particular, but last year we discussed format instruction, and this year we're going to work on some interesting series of articles on perspectives on data and data science from the Harvard Data Science. We started to deliver sponsor courses, mainly courses in which the data project based and the project comes from an industry partner. This year we started with Rivers, Federal Credit Union, and the team is enjoying the time working on an interesting project from Rivers. Also organize community. We have also community programs. We try to do work which is of interest to the local community internationally. So projects based on current societal issues. One of the programs is the Data Science for Library program, and with this program we collaborate with the MK Library and on several data science activities. We have open access grants for people which want to publish papers in data science. We have also data science workshops, and we have data management and many other activities. We have a program for local administration. We try to work on data science projects which are of interest to City of Fort Wayne, Indiana community, and so on. It's one of the most successful programs we have. It's called Data Science for Global Communities. Um, we organize series of projects which are or scholar material or we produce scholar material which is of interest and can be used by people whose first language is not English. So support local endeavors. So interested in non-profit organization, high schools, something like that, to try to develop interesting data science skills which can be used then in studying. It's available. Um, some ads are going to be available for this year. The manager for 2023-2024 are closed. Several people applied, and many great students are working to help the functionality of the but also to produce interesting research and service to the community. Mentioned junior data scientists. Several students are working on projects which are science-based but can be used also by people in coming from data disadvantaged communities. So project. So we try to understand the structure of many local organizations, including schools, universities, something like that. What programs in the Midwest are delivered at the university level, which are data science based. The difference, what do people organize these type of programs? Program Danielle is working on. We're also trying to understand human migration. So this is a time in which many people move a lot from their home country to understand what are the laws which describe human migration. Rakesh is working on this. Vacant a position for a junior data scientist for local administration to understand crime distribution in local region areas. Very interesting, feel free to apply. Just to understand the industry landscape. This year, the industrial zone is a man who is working on trying to understand the needs of biomedical industries and manufacturing industry in the Midwest area first, and then moving on to other. So James is working on community programs related project, particular to develop scholar material which can be used by high school students, outreach, and many other things. So we intend for the laboratory data scientist is to be a transformative experience. The video. People enter this the laboratory of science. People get transformed. Now, students are science superiors. These initiatives are envisioned to harness the enthusiasm of students interested in data science and facilitate the transformation of data science superiors. These are the core scientists and the students which are working now. We have many alumni, more scientists coming soon in the spring term. So these are October 2023 events. I hope you're going to join some of them if you're interested. Several seminars, and we're going to start again with the forums. Just advertisement for the Data Science Week 2023. I give a list of speakers, and we're going to showcase the work of students and discuss current topics in data science. Data science acknowledges and honors the original indigenous caretakers of the land upon which Purdue University of Pennsylvania is built. There's no passion to be found playing small, settling for a life that is less than the one you're capable of living. I know it is great. Thank you very much for your attention.